Struggling with thick weeds and stubborn shrubs? I've got the ultimate solution for you, the electric brush cutter. Whether you're transforming an overgrown jungle into a tidy garden or just keeping things neat, this tool makes it faster, easier, and hassle-free. Stick around, I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's a must-have for your gardening toolkit. What is an electric brush cutter? An electric brush cutter is the superhero of garden tools. Imagine a more powerful, versatile version of a string trimmer. Instead of a plastic line, it uses durable steel or nylon blades that can slice through thick grass, brambles, and even small shrubs with ease. It's your go-to for those unruly areas where a lawnmower just waves the white flag. Here's the best part. Electric brush cutters come in two types, corded and cordless. Got a small yard? A corded model keeps the power steady. Working in a larger garden? Cordless options give you total freedom to roam. Lightweight, easy to handle, and designed for tough jobs, this tool is a game changer for gardeners of all levels. Key features of an electric brush cutter. Let's break down what makes this tool so effective. The motor. This is the powerhouse that drives the blades with precision and operates quietly. No noisy engines waking the neighbors. The blades, made from steel or high-grade nylon, these are tough enough to tackle dense vegetation without breaking a sweat. Power source. Choose between plug-in models for uninterrupted power or battery-powered ones for full mobility. Ergonomics. Adjustable handles and optional shoulder straps make it comfortable to use, even during longer jobs. Safety first. Built-in guards protect you from flying debris, and emergency switches let you stop quickly when needed. With these features, electric brush cutters are built for reliability, efficiency, and ease of use. How does an electric brush cutter work? Operating one is simple. For corded models, just plug it in. For cordless ones, charge the battery beforehand. With the push of a button or pull of a trigger, the motor springs to life, spinning the blades at high speed. The blades slice effortlessly through vegetation. Advanced models let you adjust the speed. Go slower for light trimming or crank it up for thick shrubs. Here's a pro tip. Tackle large areas in sections. It keeps the task manageable and ensures every corner is thoroughly cleared. By the time you're done, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Applications of an electric brush cutter. What can you use it for? Almost anything in the garden. From cutting tall weeds and thick grass to clearing brambles and small hedges, it's incredibly versatile. It's perfect for tricky spots like around trees, along fences, or on uneven terrain, places where other tools struggle. No matter the size of your garden, this tool adapts to your needs and gets the job done. Advantages of electric brush cutters. Why choose electric? Let's break it down. Quieter and cleaner. No fumes, no noisy engines, just quiet, eco-friendly power. Low maintenance. Forget oil changes and complicated parts. Just keep the blades clean and the battery charged. Versatility. Many models come with interchangeable attachments for trimming, edging, and more. It's the perfect blend of power, convenience, and sustainability. An electric brush cutter isn't just a tool, it's a solution for taming even the wildest gardens. With its efficient design, user-friendly operation, and ability to tackle tough tasks, it's worth every penny.